Hey everyone, this is Aisha. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited today because I'm doing a review on the Pro Filt'r concealers that came out with Fenty. Also, I picked up two of the powders. So I'm going to be trying it out. I'm a 420 in the foundation, so I just picked up the 420. I see a lot of people got a lighter shade, like a way lighter shade than their foundation, but when I tried it on in the store, I thought the 420 was good. Also, the 410 was good, so I just stuck with the 420. At some point, I might get a lighter one. Who knows? But I'm very excited to talk about these because when she came out with the matchsticks, I really did not like those for concealer. I felt like they were just very dry up under the eye, and I actually never used mine. I only use my sticks when I do my contour, but as far as under my eye, I never use it. We're going to be doing pretty much just a review of the face, so it's going to be foundation, concealer, and the setting powders. All right, I'm going to bring you guys closer and then we'll get started. Okay, so first I'm going to use the primer. I'm going to use the Pro Filt'r primer from Fenty. I'm going to just put it on my hands and prime my face. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the 420 Pro Filt'r Foundation. This one's a little bit, I guess you can say, liquidy, so I always shake it up before I apply it. I'm going to just use a regular Real Techniques brush. I actually like this brush for foundation because I feel like everything goes on pretty quickly and smoothly. When I put on foundation, I only put on probably about 2 pumps. I don't put on that much foundation when I put it on because I just feel like, I guess I just don't need it. And I just don't like to feel my foundation is too cakey. Alright, so here is the 420 in the concealer. Let me put it up next to the foundation. So these are them together. Now this says that it's supposed to be crease proof, sweat proof, I guess cry proof, that whole situation. It is very creamy and it's kind of thicker than any concealer that I've used before. So I want to go ahead and apply it. See, it has a nice little applicator here. You can get, I've actually never seen an applicator this I guess you can say long, so you get a lot of coverage. So let's go. It's definitely creamy. All right. I don't think it's too light, so I'm going to use this little blender I have here for under the eye. Now I do like it. I feel like it's not highlighting me too much, but it's definitely concealing. Put a little bit. Okay, so I picked up first the banana powder, then I actually took it back because I felt like it looked a little ashy. So I got the honey setting powder for brightening. Now this is so pretty. Look at this. It's so pretty. This is the honey. And let me show you. So you pull off the little tape, powder's in there. But then what was so good about this powder, I was like, why hasn't anybody told me this before? Or at least I don't have any. But she's put this in there to put on top of the powder so you don't waste it. Like, I waste powder all the time. This is such a good idea. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and set under my eye with the honey. I'm going to use this Morphe brush. This is an M536. It's a under eye bullet brush. So it's for basically setting your under eye powder. If you can see, I'm bringing the powder up through the little holes. I'm going to put some on my brush and tap it off and then set. Definitely feel like it looks very smooth and poreless. Alright, so I'm liking how it's looking so far. So now that I have that set, I'm then going to go in with Nutmeg, which is the basically all over powder. It's not a brightening powder. So how she did it was she has brightening powders and then she had just the setting powders. And they say which ones they are on there. So Nutmeg is a setting powder. It's a brown setting powder. I would say it's close to the Laura Mercier loose powder, but I did notice that it is not as thick as the Laura Mercier powder. So I actually kind of like this one a little bit better. I'm just going to use another big brush from Real Techniques, this one here, and set my face. Again, this just gives your skin like a very smooth appearance. I'm even seeing it on camera. It looks very smooth. I am going to finish the rest of my face off camera and I'll be back to tell you my thoughts on the concealer. Okay, so the rest of my face is done. I actually use mostly Fenty products except my eyes to create this look. My thoughts, I do like it. I do feel like on me, I already have lines, so anything that says crease proof, it don't even matter, because I just feel like under my eyes, since I already have lines, I've had them since I was born, it's just sometimes gonna settle. I do feel like the powder is very smoothing. I have pores, so I feel like my face looks very smooth, and I don't see a lot of pores. I just, you know, see it where I just kind of get it the most just around here. But I do like the concealer. I definitely love the powders. They're so light and airy, but they do take the shine away off of your face as well. Like I said, I probably would go pick up the 410. I tried the 390, but I just felt like it was too light, and for me, I've been doing more of a natural look. I don't want a super bright highlight, so I think maybe the 410 will work, but I don't know about the 390. We'll have to see how I feel. Anyway, if you guys have not subscribed already, please remember to go ahead and do so. Go ahead and turn on those notifications as well. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.